Let me help you install ESP32 on your Arduino IDE. If you go to Tools, Boards, now you can see it is selected Arduino AVR board. So in order to get the ESP32 here, first you go to File, Preferences, and you need to paste this JSON file link here in the additional board manager URLs. This link is available in the description. Once you paste this link, press OK. Now you need to install the board. Go to the board manager icon on the left hand side. Type ESP32. There you can see two ESP32. One is Arduino ESP32 board and the second one ESP32 by Expressive Systems. You need to install the ESP32 by Expressive Systems. Click on Install. It will take some time to get installed. See, now the board is installed. Now go to Tools, then click on Board, and now you can see there is ESP32 available. And for time being, I am selecting ESP32 development module. So if you go here, we have ESP32 development module. Click on that. Now you can see that the ESP32 development module is connected and is available under COM6. Now you have successfully installed the ESP32 board on the Arduino environment. If you want to know how to write your first code, check out the video in the description. Thanks for watching.